Meaning of forked.
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 Forked. Forked is a term used in software development when someone creates a new version of an existing project by duplicating the code and creating a separate development path. The result of forking is two or more separate versions of the original project, each with its own distinct features and functionality. This process allows developers to experiment with new ideas or make significant changes to the original codebase without affecting the main project. Forking is common in open-source projects, where developers can freely modify and share code with others in the community.